Hi friends, welcome to Python tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss Python data types and keywords. Before coming to it, friends, if you are watching our channel first time or not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Also don't forget to enable that bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you will get notification message whenever we upload a new video. Right, first of all we will see Python data types. As usual, data type is a type of data that a variable can hold. Python is a dynamically typed language, so no need to define the type of the variable while declaring it in the program. Here, the interpreter implicitly binds the value with its type. That's why Python is called type inference language. And we can check the type of the variable in Python using type function. Here we can see the standard data types in Python. Python provides the following standard data types: numbers, string, list, tuple, dictionary. We will see these data types in depth in the future videos, so stay tuned. Now we will see how to use these type functions and identify the type of the variable in Python. First of all, we will see numbers. Here we are going to give a variable a equals 10. Now we are going to see the type of a. So here we can see the type of this a is integer. Even we can use this function without a variable. We can use a value here. Suppose I am going to give a type of 10. So we will see the result. Here we can see this value 10 is an integer. Now we will try a float value. B equals 10.50. Now we will get the type of B. Here we can see the type of B, it's float. Also we can try type of 10.50. It's float. Now we will try a string. Name equals Eric, and we will see the type of this variable name. Here we can see it's string. Even we can verify type of, we can give a string here. It's a string. Whenever we use a single quote or double quote, it will be a string. For example, type of, here I am going to give a number in double quote. Here this interpreter will consider as this 10 as string. Here we can see that. Now we will create a list and we will see the type. We will create a list variable named AB, then square bracket, we will give a number, then we will give a string, then we will give a float. Okay, that's enough. We'll close with the square bracket. Now we will see the type of AB. So here we can see it is a list. Now we will create a tuple and we will see its type. We will have a variable t equals, then open parenthesis. So here we will give, okay, we will give a Python, then we will give it 20. Okay, that's enough. Then we'll close it. Now we will see the type of this variable t. Here we can see it's a tuple. Now we will create a dictionary and we will see the type of that variable. We will have a variable d equals, here we have to use curly brace, Then we have to give name. We will give Eric. Okay. Comma, then we will give ID in single quote. We will give 100. Then we will close this curly brace. Now we will verify the type of this variable D. Type D. Here we can see it's a dictionary. Right, so as I told in the beginning, we will see all these standard data types in depth in forthcoming videos. Now we will go to keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in Python which convey a special meaning to the interpreter. Python keywords are case sensitive. Here we can see the keywords used in Python. Yes, we will work with all these keywords in the forthcoming videos. So stay tuned. Right, so that's all in this video, Python data types and keywords. Friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share with all your friends. Stay tuned and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.